Happy birthday, Inay. Love you.
Happy birthday, Inay. Palakas po kayo. Wish you good health and guidance po palagi. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Inay! Wala lang, speechless lang. Ingat palagi, sana maging malakas pang pangangatawan at mahal na mahal namin kayo. We love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday sa pinakamamahal kong inay. Wish ko sa iyong kaarawan na sana hindi ka na magkasakit. At saka kumain ka sa tamang oras para ang sikmura mo ay hindi na sumakit. Happy birthday. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nay! More birthdays to come, Inay, and more candles to blow. Sana, Inay, yung nararamdaman nyo ay mawala na at lalo pa kayong lumakas.
Happy birthday, Inay. Sana po gumaling na po ang inyong nararamdaman.
Galing. Happy birthday po ulit, Inay.
Happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Inay.
Happy birthday po, Inay. Sana po'y maging maligaya kayo sa inyong kaarawan.
Happy birthday, Inay. Ingat lagi kayo dyan.
Happy birthday po.
Mahal po namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Inay. We love you.
Happy birthday, Inay.
Birthday, Inay.
One more. Kata mo na sila ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Inay.
Birthday, Inay.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. Hope you're doing better in the Philippines. And if I come to the Philippines next year, I will treat you. And hope that hopefully you're feeling better and always eating a lot. And wish you the best of luck.
Happy birthday, Nay. Thank you for always taking care of me and always taking care of the family and always being supportive. And I hope you have your best birthday right there, and we wish we can all be there and let you know we all love you from bottom of our hearts. Inay, happy birthday po. Hoping your good health always. Lagi mo lagay ang sarili mo. Kumain ka lagi ng marami para pag umuwi kami malakas ka pa rin. Happy birthday and enjoy lang po.
Happy birthday, Inay. Wishing you a good health and long life and enjoy your day. Love you.
Inay, happy birthday. Sana maging happy ka sa kaarawan mo kahit wala kami ng Kuya Ugo. Alam ko naman na mas masaya ka kung kami ay tayo kompleto, kami magkakapatid. Pero hindi pa namin kaya sa ngayon kasi may piniprepare pa kami. Enjoy lang ikaw. Lagi ka namin, nasa puso ka lagi namin. That's all.
Love you, Inay.
Love you, Inay.
Love you. Okay. Kanta natin. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Inay.
Happy birthday, Inay Ising. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo and wish you all the good health.
Happy birthday, Inay. We love you always and forever. God bless you and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Inay. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Inay! We love you!
Nay, happy 87th birthday. Wish ko po ang inyong mabuting kalusugan, na humaba ang inyong buhay. Dahil kailangan pa namin kayo. 10 kami na kailangan pa po ang inyong gabay. Muli po, Inay, happy 87th birthday. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Kaming lahat, ang inyong mga apo, mga manugang, mga apo, lahat ang inyong mga anak. Mahal na mahal po kayo. Maraming pong salamat, Inay, sa lahat-lahat ng paggabay sa amin. Maraming pong salamat, Mami.
Hello, Inay. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sa aking maganda at pinakamabait na ina. Nais ko pong malaman din ninyo na lubos akong nagpapasalamat sa pagmamahal at pag-unawa sa aming magkakapatid. We are so lucky kasi binigyan kami o biniyayaan kami ng magulang na katulad nyo ng tatay. Naway patuloy po kayong pagpalain ng ating poong may kapal. At lagi kong hinihiling na sana bigyan pa kayo ng maraming kaarawan. At Inay, enjoy. Sana laging malakas ang katawan. At laging masaya. Yun lang ang lagi kong hinihiling. Mahal na mahal namin kayo, Inay.
Happy birthday po, Inay! Happy birthday po, Inay. Sana po gumaling na po kayo habang buhay niyo po.
Happy birthday po, Inay. Ingat po kayo palagi. Pagaling po kayo.
Po, Inay. Tapos po, huwag po kayo magkasakit.